I really like this job. I will tell you something that you will probably not understand if you read my LinkedIn profile, for example. I'm one of these people that switched from something else into computer stuff generally, and after that in cybersecurity. Because at the age that we all study, I studied music and I played music professionally. But soon after my studies, it was really complex to explain to you why. There were particular reasons why I wanted to switch field, and I chose information technology. And soon after, I went into cybersecurity. It's something I chose very consciously, and I jumped into it. I really loved it. I love that you can use the skills to help people protect themselves in the virtual world, right? And I'm not disappointed at all, because in the many years that I've been doing this for now, I have discovered many critical vulnerabilities. Sometimes even I started making tools because I really admired the people that started making hacking tools like 20 years ago, 15 years ago, and they created the path to this community that we are enjoying today. The hacking community would not have been the same if some very talented people just shared their very creative ideas. For example, think of Nmap and Metasploit. It opened the way for people to learn, to come into cybersecurity, and not only, maybe even IT and programming, by interacting with systems. And imagine this, if you didn't have Nmap and Metasploit, when you don't know so much about computers and cybersecurity, to just interact with something and see how it feels like. How can I do a port scan? What are the results? How do I deliver an exploit? How do I slap an exploit in a weak service and I get a reverse shell? How do I create a malware, like a file that's malicious? That if someone runs it, it will give me access to his computer. If there was no tools like this, then it would be almost mandatory to have studies in information technology and computer engineering, software engineering, to be able to understand these concepts. Someone would still have to follow this path, the dark side, he would have to be a Sith. It would be really complicated.